Hello everyone, we are the team E17A9 Lazy Loading for assignment, courses, questionnaires, and user list with JScroll. Our task is to add infinite scroll to the tree display page list. And here is the effect of the infinite scroll. And we will add it to the list in the tree display. And firstly, we tried with JScroll, but unless we find out JScroll does not support table. And then through some Google search, we find out this library, React Infinite. But after doing some attempts, we find out also this library also did not support the table. And we asked it on the Stack Overflow, and someone else suggests us to use a React Infinite Scroller. But the problem is that this is a new library, and we cannot require this library in the application.js of our project. And finally, we find out this library, and we could include it in our project. And we tried this library like this. But it will it will raise error. And first we think maybe it's we use the wrong React component. But after we change a lot of components, the bug still cannot be fixed. So maybe we think this project is too complicated. It involves a lot of very complex React.js, and a lot of React components are nested with each other. So after talk to the professor, we decided to switch to a new project, writing RSpec test for the user controller. And here's the test we wrote. And I will show you the results of the test. We can see here we wrote 18 tests, and all of them passed. And also during the process of doing the first project, we found that there's some bugs with the tree display list. First is that if we click to expand this table row, we cannot close it. It will raise an error says React add-on is not defined. So I just remove the React add-on and replace it with the JS function. And now we can close it. And another problem is in the assignment page. If we include others item, and the list is very long, and the items in the others public assignment is unorganized. So here I organized first by the ascending order of instructor, and then by the descending order of the creation time. So that's all for our project. Thank you.